Celebrities who have admitted to having a cosmetic procedure. Perhaps one of the last greatest Hollywood taboos is celebrity plastic surgery. Stars for many years have denied going under the knife, going under the needle. However, times are changing and a handful of brave celebrities have opened up about their experiences, and some of those have been good, some of those have been not so good. My name is Dr. Julian De Silva. I'm a board certified facial cosmetic surgeon. My practice is in central London, Harley Street, and I specialize in only facial procedures. Today we're looking at Dolly Parton. Now, Dolly Parton is a fantastic singer who has been in the public eye for over 50 years. And she's had an incredible career over that time, and she's now in her late 70s and she still looks wonderful. Now, she's admitted to a number of facial cosmetic procedures, both non-surgical and surgical, and these include having botulinum toxin, brow lift surgery, which means lifting the areas above the eyes, eyelid surgery, also known as blepharoplasty, full facelift surgery, which often means in combination with necklift surgery, augmentation of her chin, and rhinoplasty, nose reshaping. So what do we see when we look at her face? What can we actually see? Well, we can see, she was beautiful when she was a young woman, and she remains beautiful to this day in her 70s. But that has come about because of tweaking. And generally speaking, surgical procedures will correct more than 5 millimeters of change. Non-surgical procedures will correct minor changes or will help manage things or maintain surgery. With gravity, everything drops with time. So particularly the eyes, the brows, the cheeks, the lower jaw, and all of these changes that come about with laxity of the skin, gravity, loss of soft tissues. Well, it means lifting these areas back to where they began. So the brows have been lifted, which reinforces this arch shape, which is similar to how it was before. Where there's loose skin around the eyelids, well, that has been removed and it's a bit more hollow than it was before. And so key with eyelid surgery is less is more. We don't want to take away too much of that natural fat because often that can create more hollowing with time. Face and neck lift surgery, well, it's really this part of the cheek that drops down with time and can create jowls and loss of the jawline, but lifting this up with facelift surgery maintains that jawline very nicely. Volume wise, well, we all lose natural volume with aging, and so having fat transfer, taking a little bit of fat from around your belly button, concentrating that fat, putting it in very specific areas like around the cheeks, that can just freshen up your appearance. That can also be done with non-surgical means such as fillers, but of course those need to be repeated over and over, and you never want to overdo volume because too much volume makes a face look round. And so having natural shape and having a V-shaped jawline, that looks more youthful. Now, a V-shaped jawline is youthful and fresh. Sometimes it can be augmented in the chin area with a specific implant that is shaped to match your jawline. And of course, maintenance. Non-surgical treatments can be used to maintain the results of surgery. So Dolly Parton, she was once quoted saying, "I created my own look to build my confidence because very few people are born beautiful. With natural beauty, I am certainly not one." So she's really declared that, she has had various tweaks and refinements in many aspects of her face, the eyes, the nose, the jawline, and that has given her more confidence and just enhanced her natural beauty. So it's nice that some people are frank about what treatments they've had. And refinement surgery, well, it means improving things but not changing your natural appearance. Rejuvenation can either be with surgery, where things look more tired, or can be maintained with non-surgical means. She looks great, and these are facial procedures that I complete every day for my patients, and it's always a fine balance between improving certain aspects of your face but not taking things too far, because we never want really things to look unnatural. You always want to have a few lines, a few shadows, because that really looks like a natural refinement. I hope you agree Dolly Parton looks great. Thank you for watching.